Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and this is another unboxing video. This is my Fullriver DC 150 12 volt. This is 2 of 8 batteries that I am buying for SY Sublime. I will have a total of 1515 amp hours, including the 8 DC 150s. So I'm going to go 4 goes in here and 4 will be going over here. This is 2 of 8, the unboxing of it, and I'm going to put this on the ground and unbox it because it's pretty heavy. So just going to pause the video for a sec. So this is the inside. Of course you get the phone, and then you get the alternate bolts for the terminals, and then this is the top of the butt of it, and you get the brass terminals, of course, and that one here. So I'm going to get this on the ground and unbox it. So this is the Fullriver DC 150-12 out of its box, and I'm going to install it down in here where I had the other one. There's one down in here I have somewhere. So this is the first one I bought 2 weeks ago. So this is the first one I got, and then I'm going to connect this one to that one. And then of course I have my old North Star batteries in here that are pretty much shot. So yeah, so I'm going to get this next battery down in there. I'm going to have to configure this a little bit better so they all fit. So anyway, so I'm going to get this battery down in there now. I just hope I don't drop it on my foot. It's very, very heavy. So this one situated down in here. There, it's in its hiding place. I'm going to fit one more battery in there now, but I'm going to have to make a ledge to travel all the way along to there to get all 4 of them in there. So that's that there. So I'm going to get the electrical connectors and hook it up. I'm going to get these ones done. Firstly, put these back on. So anyway, I've had some people on have asked me, well, why don't I go with the lithium batteries? Well, lithium batteries are good, but they're expensive, and you don't get really much. I don't think you get much more than what you get now, but these are a lot easier to get a hold of, I think, anyway. So lead acid, and then I don't have to. Oops. That was funny. I don't know if this is in frame or not. I have no clue yet. Whatever. Alright, there's a negative wire. These go on, they're not too thick. Oh, damn it. Pause the video for that. That's too... Well, that took a lot longer than I expected it to. So I got both batteries installed, and that worked out good. I got enough room for one more battery here. As I said, I've got to build a ledge a little bit higher so I can get all 4 batteries pushed all the way up into here, and then that will complete this one bank. This will be house bank 1, this will be house bank 2, and this will be the starter bank, which is down in here. So, but as I said, some people have been telling me, oh, you should get lithium batteries. And I know they're good batteries, but as I said, they're expensive and they're out of my budget. Anyway, so these are okay. These are like from Battery Systems. I got these. The online price was $447 with rip-off California sales tax. It was $495. Including the $30 core, so which is one of these ones I took in. So yeah, so that's the Fullriver DC 105 12-volt battery unboxing and install. This is SY Sublime. Fair winds, temperate seas, margaritas, and sandy toes.